Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're going to be making a really comforting and delicious Vietnamese dish. We're making bo kho. So if you don't know what that means, it is a Vietnamese stew that consists of beef. We got tender pieces of carrot in there. We've got this wonderfully star anise spice broth. It's super tasty, traditionally eaten with French crusty bread, or in this case, we're eating it with noodles. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!